Company vehicles that get used personally too. How do you separate one from the other without invading privacy? Rinho for corporate fleets, business and personal use control, automated mileage reports, and smart preventive maintenance. Up to 20% less fuel, 100% traceability, continuous monitoring, and an average return on investment of 3 times. Automated mileage reports per user and trip, private use mode toggled with a single tap. Preventive maintenance based on engine hours, mileage, or time, and fuel control directly from the Computadora del Vehículo to detect abnormal consumption. Executives, sales force, field technicians, shared vehicle pool, sites and projects, and leased vehicles. Smart IoT, premium, with dual SIM connectivity and multiple inputs and outputs. And Spider IoT, our best seller with Canvas, Bluetooth sensors, and built-in Wi-Fi. Learn more about our corporate fleet solutions on our website.